What's up everyone, my name is Jonathan. Today we are doing another Adobe After Effects tutorial, and this is how to animate text or objects along a path or a specific line that you want this text or objects to move along. I have just opened Adobe After Effects, so this is what you will see, minus the normal new composition window that normally pops up. But we're just going to click new composition. I'm just going to leave this whatever it is. 1920 by 1080, 60 frames a second. We're going to do 5 seconds. Sounds good to me. Background color doesn't matter because I'm actually just because it doesn't matter. So first thing we need to do is we're just going to create a text, and this question came from Doug. So we're going to use Doug's name because we can. So we're going to move this over and click holding Shift and Alt and drag this up a little bit. Drag this down, and this doesn't even matter because this is all going to change here in a second. And then click off of, make sure this is important, click off of the object or text that you want to animate along a path, so it is not selected and you do not create a path in this text layer. So now we're going to click on the pen tool or hit G on your keyboard, and we're just going to create some points. Click and drag this over, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. Just something crazy. This obviously is not a very realistic example of what we would probably be doing. The stroke and fill and none of that matters for what we're doing. So now we're just going to go into the shape layer, go into the contents, go into the shape, go into the path, select the path, and then hit Control C. You want to copy this path. And now we're going to click on our text or object layer, whichever one it is you are using, and hit P. This will bring up the position. And now hit Control V to paste. You want to paste your the path that you copied from here into here. And now you can actually delete this shape layer. That doesn't even matter anymore. And now when you play this, now you can see the text animates along the path that you created. Obviously you would probably do a better job of creating a path, and you can go back and edit this path however you see fit, make it a little more smooth. But yeah, you can go back and edit this. You can hit P, bring this position back up, and you can edit the keyframes so that the timing is correct for whatever project you're working on. And that is it for this. Hopefully that helps somebody. If it does, make sure to smash the like button before you leave. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.